Hey Wellness Squad, I'm here to share a Make It Monday recipe with you. So I know we're all heading to the pools and beaches soon, or our own pools. I guess we can't go to public ones yet, right? And so what is nice to have is a simple, quick sun soothing spray. I've been using it for the past few years. I absolutely love it. So here is the quick recipe. What you want to do is grab a glass spray bottle, and you're going to add the following ingredients in. You're going to want to have 1 cup of aloe vera juice, so it's juice, not the gel. You're going to want to do a 1/4 cup of fractionated coconut oil, so that acts as the carrier oil. It's also very good for the skin. You're going to want to have 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil, and then you're going to have 8 drops of the following essential oils. So 8 drops lavender, 8 drops peppermint, and 8 drops tea tree oil. So what you're going to do is put the essential oils in your glass bottle first, and then you're going to add in the aloe vera, the fractionated coconut oil, and the vitamin E, and then move the glass bottle back and forth to kind of swish it up, I guess. That's my technical term, swish. And then what you want to do is just put it in your pool bag, your beach bag, your hiking bag if you're going to be hiking and being around a lot of sun, and then apply it to your skin 2 to 3 times a day. So this is very soothing after the sun when you might notice a little bit of pinkness to your skin. This is great to put on, really brings the bite down from the sun. Alright, hope everybody has a great day, and I will be back later to chat with you.